So you have a big file, you need to get over to your accountant yesterday, and you can't get it to send via email because the file is too big. What should you do? The right thing to do is to contact your IT department so we can assist by installing a secure, commercial-grade, secure file sharing application. Here's what you don't want to do. Download a free copy of Dropbox or WeTransfer or some other file sharing software without telling us. Shadow IT is a term that's used to describe applications installed by employees of an organization without involving or alerting the IT department as a workaround. And these applications come with hefty price. Security issues. If we don't know about it, we can't manage it or secure it. So the golden rule is this: never download any software application without checking with your IT department first. Have questions about cybersecurity or some other IT-related issues? Book a quick 10-minute call. We're happy to help.